Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to easily update all of the plugins in your WordPress website only in 2 minutes. Let me go in website dashboard. Here you can also go to plugin page. There is another option, this one, plugins. Now on the top here you can find out updates. So these are 8 plugins that needs to be updated. Now let me go here and click on update available, and here you can see this one is the bulk selection. You can select plugins that you want to update. So let me deselect this one, and after that select update, then click apply button. Now here you can see one plugin is updated and it is updating more plugins. So within couple of seconds all the plugins will be updated that you have selected.